It's New Food Friday.
What in the world are we gonna try this week?
Is it gonna be good? Is it gonna be bad? We're gonna have to taste it to find out.
All right, what did we find?
Smartfood popcorn. It is cheddar jalapeno.
Smartfood, cheddar, and jalapeno. We found this in Canada. In Canada. Open it up. Let's give it a try.
Yeah. Raisin popcorn. So what's spice and popcorn? Doesn't really have any spice.
No?
Try a piece, Em.
Try a piece. Whoa, do you want me to get you one? The aftertaste has a little spice.
It's what, Em?
It's tasty.
Is it tasty? Let's see what it looks like.
Nicey.
Yeah, look at that. And try some more?
I tried some more too. It's pretty good.
Daddy's been excited to try. Let's have him taste it.
Pretty tasty.
The aftertaste is a little spicy.
Is it?
But if you keep on eating it and eating it, you can't taste it.
You like it, huh, Em?
Yeah. Since this brothers are gone.
What?
Since this brothers are gone.
James's brothers are gone?
Yeah.
Are they playing?
They're all building a fort.
He's going back for more.
Really like this popcorn. Emma, is this good? Yeah. I think it's a double thumbs up.
Yeah, what do you think, Em? Thumbs up?
Thumbs up.
Do you think it's better than plain Smartfood?
Yeah. There's a
Yeah. Oh, Emmett's spitting his out. What's the matter, Em? Emmy, what are you doing down there? What do you think? Plain Smartfood or jalapeno cheddar?
Jalapeno cheddar's better.
Spicy?
Do you notice the spice now?
Yeah.
It's not really spicy. Right, James?
Until you eat a whole bunch of it.
And then after a while you can taste a little bit of spice in your mouth, but not bad. All right, give it a try. See what you think.
You're thinking, guys? That's really cheesy. There's a little bit of spice at the same time. It is so good. It has a tiny bit of spice, mostly cheesy. When you first put it in your mouth, there's like a little spice in your mouth. And then it's not spicy after you swallow it down. I give him a thumbs up. I'll give it a double thumbs up. The same, actually.
What if you wait a few minutes? Then does it get spicier?
No. Matter of fact, that makes my mouth water for more. No. I would say we get these.
So if somebody doesn't like spicy foods, do you think they'd like it?
If they like something that's a hair spicy, they'd love this. Yeah. But if you don't absolutely like, not even like a single bit of spicy, no. They won't.
So there's a tiny bit of spice, but they're not real spicy, huh?
No. Yeah. More cheddary than spicy.